Hello everyone! Start off by drawing 4/8 on a piece of paper. Now starting with the first 8, we will be drawing a bee. So make the stripes on the body, add the wings on the side and then add a little sting at the back. Now moving on to the second 8, we will be drawing a little worm. Add multiple circles behind it and then add a cute little face to the top circle. Add little legs underneath it. Now for our fourth 8, we will be making a bear out of it. That is a teddy bear. Moving on to our last 8, we will be making a little fish out of it. Start off by drawing the body, the eyes and then the fins and then the tail at the back. Add the details and then color it in as you please. This is our final look. Next, start off by drawing the number 0, 2 and then finally 1. On top, you may add the number 3 in order to make the ears. Then add a cute little face to the middle circle and after this, connect the pieces in order to make it look like a bunny holding onto a carrot as such. Add little lines to each of them such as the toes and then color it in once you're done. Next, we will be drawing Patrick. So for this, start off by drawing the shape of a little starfish. Then add the eyes and the eyebrows and a small little smiley face. After this, add on the little legs. Draw the patterns on his shorts and then, after this, color him in pink as such. Color the shorts in green and purple accordingly. Next, we will be drawing a cute little fish. It'll look a little like a whale. So to begin with, start off by drawing the body of the whale and after this we will draw the stripes that the fish has. So add a smiley face to it and then add the eyes. This will be the fish from Finding Nemo. Draw the fins and then color it in orange and white and yellow accordingly. Add little black highlights to it as well. Next, we will start off by drawing the number 6 2 times, one on top of the other, then draw the number 2 and then 1 accordingly. Now begin to draw each of these pieces. You will have made the face of a dog and then underneath it, add the legs and then the tail as well. Connect all of them together and then color it as you please. Start off by almost completing a circle and then underneath it, draw this almost rectangular shape to it. Now add the eyes to it, begin to color it in as you please. We will be making a cute little panda. Add the smiley face and then the semicircular ears at the back as well. Add the hands and then finally the legs at the bottom. Once you are done with this, use your marker in order to color it in black and white as such. Color the arms in black and the legs in black as well and leave the belly in white as such. This will be the final look. Next, we will be drawing a little bunny with a carrot. For this, start off by drawing the chubby little cheeks in the face, add the eyes, and then afterwards draw the body as well. Once you are done with this, add the little bunny ears to it as well. Make it look like it is carrying a carrot. After this, add the smiley face to it, add the little lines on the carrot, and then begin to color it in. We have colored the ears and the tongue in pink, and then we have colored the carrot in orange and green respectively. Add the heart at the top as well. Start off by drawing the surface and then afterwards draw a cute little cat on it. Start off by drawing the head and then add the ears to it. Add a cute little face to it with an expression. After this, draw the rest of the body, make it look like it is lying down. Add the little patterns on your cat and then color it in. Thank you for watching.